Hi, it's Leslie in Tennessee, and recently in our sweet potato video we talked about the buckwheat cover crop that we had planted as a cover crop in our garden. And I wanted to just show you briefly how we cut this. Now, this is a wonderful crop for beneficial insects. The butterflies and the bees have been really enjoying this. But the buckwheat is starting to go to seed. It's been well pollinated. And I want to get this before the buckwheat all starts dropping its seeds and replanting itself into this bed. Now this is a wonderful cover crop. It grows very fast, and I'm just going to cut it and let it lay down here. And I haven't decided yet if I'm going to cover it with some mulch leaves or something like that, but it could be turned into the soil as well. But the important thing is you want to get it before it goes to seed. So I have my handy dandy loppers, and I like to cut it in pieces and keep it in the bed so that it can break down. I don't like to have huge pieces, and I usually work one side of the bed and then I go ahead over to the other side and just work my way down, making the pieces relatively small. And there we go. Now what I also want to show you is how easily, if you didn't have clippers like this or you didn't want to cut it this way, how easy it is to pull out. You don't need a rototiller or anything like that. It pulls very easily out of the ground. It's kind of shallow rooted, and then it could easily be broken up if you just don't have any clippers or if you had another way to cut it. So it's a wonderful wonderful cover crop. Come on over here and we'll take a look at this. So here is some that I cut a couple of days ago, and again you can see it could pull out quite easily if you wanted to just after you cut it, to get it and lay it all flat and get some organic matter into your soil. That's it. Thanks for watching.